you have another pair of hands, it really helps too. Sure. Alright. I think if I can get to the middle one, the other ones won't be so bad. And if you know a trick to getting these blinds in there, please leave it in the comments for everybody else. So we don't all have to learn the hard way. So, got the clip. Come on. Trying to get it to clip in. Success. It seemed like it helped a little bit after I got the blind out of the way. That's it. That works. Success. Awesome. Wow, that was really, really amazing. Really great. So, we did it. Replace your own blind. And I showed you now how. And you can do it too. This blind I bought from Thor. It's the exact replacement. I think it's a little bit heavier duty material. And you have options to get blinds that are thick, some that are thin and let more light in. But this is a privacy blind for us, so that's why I wanted to have it. And come winter time, you know, the thicker the blind, the better. It'll hold in some of the heat and hold back some of the cold. So that's it. You've seen me replace my own blind in the RV. You don't have to wait for others to do it. I think this blind cost me $100. You could probably buy them from blinds.com if you know the right size, but I wanted to get it from Thor just because I wanted to have the same factory blind, but that's not necessary. So that's it for now. If you watch this long, I'm sorry that it took so long, but if you would subscribe to the channel, it'd help. I have a number of other videos about my pipe leak and about RV and much more to come about our journey. So that's it for now. Take care. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.